Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today let us see how to use a function called paste special in Excel. Here I have some product, sales, price and the total. This total is nothing but the sales data into price is the total which I have derived. It is a formula. So now we'll see how we can copy these details and we can paste it in other cells. So here I have the total. I'm just copying that. And the shortcut to paste the values in special is go to home, go to clipboard, and under paste you have paste formula, paste values, no borders, transpose, paste link. So here we have paste special. So if you click on that, a paste special window will pop up. Alternatively, the shortcut is Ctrl Alt V. So now the paste special dialog box opens up. If not, you can also give Alt H V yes, and then your paste special dialog box opens. Okay, so in this paste special we have some subheadings like paste and operation. So under paste, if you wish to paste the formulas, here I have the formulas of total, right? If I wish to paste the formulas, I can click on F and then give OK, which is enter the formulae. So here it is C2 into B2. If that gets pasted, it is D2 into C2. So that formula gets pasted. Now I want to paste the formatting, which is like the bold, borders, color, everything. For that the shortcut is Ctrl Alt V, and that I want to paste the formats. So the shortcut is T and give enter. The format gets pasted. Now I wish to paste only the values of this cell to the next cell. So for that the formula is Ctrl Alt V and values, which is V, and give enter. The values alone will get pasted. The formula will be removed. Many a times we can copy the same details and give values and paste in the same cell. The formula will be removed. We have another function in paste special, which is comments. So if you have any comments in the copied cell, that will be pasted in the selected cell. Validation. This validation is nothing but if you had mentioned any of the validations. For example, in this price, I'm just inserting a validation. For that, go to data, data validation, data validation. So I'm just giving some whole numbers. The numbers are between 50 and 100 and give OK. And if you copy this and if you paste the validations here, it will accept data only within the range. For example, if I give 65, it will accept. If I give 36, it will not. Okay, so this is pasting the validations. And if you wish to transpose, the transpose is nothing but the vertical data to be horizontal and horizontal data to be vertical. So Ctrl Alt V and E, and then give OK. The numbers get pasted. If I give paste special, we have something called all. So what all of these below conditions will this satisfy is it will paste the formulas, it will paste the formats, comments and validation. Except values, all other details it will paste. Hope this was very much helpful and useful to you. Thank you so much.